G'day guys and girls, welcome to Uncaged Expeditions. Boy have I got exciting news. I'm organising a meet and greet for this year. I'm excited. Hopefully there's a few other people that are excited, so hey, the more people that come, the bigger the event. It'll be fantastic. Look, there's nothing flashy. I don't know what other people are doing. I don't know if they're doing meet and greets and things, but you know what, nothing flashy. July 26th to 29th, I think it is, Friday to a Monday. It will be in the Vic High Country somewhere. I'm just in talks with Parks Victoria and things to see how we can organise everything. So there's a couple of places I'm thinking, but I haven't really knuckled down anything. So I'm going to go have a look at a few. That'll be in another video. Look at a few different places, different options, and take it from there. So, as I said, this is just a quick video to announce I'm doing a meet and greet. It'll be from a Friday evening to a Monday. People are welcome to come anytime during those times, stay for as long as they want, even if it's one night, day trips, stay the whole time. It really doesn't matter, it's up to yourselves. Now, this is a family-friendly event. So, wives, husbands, fathers, kids, grandkids, whoever wants to come is welcome to come. But I must stress, if you are planning on just coming out just to be a bogan, get drunk, carry on, you know what, you're not welcome. This is the wrong event for you. This isn't about that. This is about like-minded people getting together, just meeting people. That's what it's all about, getting out into this beautiful country of ours and just meeting new people with the same interests, same lifestyles, same hobbies as us. So, it will be the last weekend in July, as I've said. Look, as I knuckle out more information and plan things, I will post it for all of you, so you got information. But for now, they're the dates. Some people might come from interstate, so it may be a bit more difficult for them to plan things. That's why I'm giving, I think it's about 3 months notice or so. For anyone that wants to come, hopefully you can arrange it in that time. Look, on the Saturday night, I'm probably going to do a cooking competition, a campfire cooking competition. So you can do a main meal, you can do a dessert, a snack, whatever you want. There'll be a few people taste testing. I'll be one, probably Thrace will be another one. He had good feedback on the cooking video, so he'll probably be the other judge, and we may have one more person. See how we go, see how big the turnout is. And yeah, I'll have a little prize pack that I'll give away. I'm also getting some merchandise, beanies, hats, t-shirts, jumpers, nothing special, just a few little things. Look, I will put it on a video and on Instagram just so everyone can see it before the event. You'll be able to order it at the event, so I can't really carry that much stock, and you know, I don't know if 10 people are coming, I don't know if 100 people are coming. So look, you can order at the show, at the meet and greet. You can pre-order it if you want. I don't know how I'm going to organise it all, but you know what, I'll figure something out. Details will come up when I do. So yeah, great news. As I said, meet and greet, 26th to 29th of July, Vic High Country, family-friendly event. I will stress that again, family-friendly event. Don't want people just to come out, get drunk, cause trouble, be loud mouths. No, this is not the event for you. Just about having a good time out in the bush together. What else? Now, also, I must say, legal reasons. I'm not liable for anything that happens during the event and coming to and from the event. So please just take care, be smart, use common sense, and there won't be any issues. This is just a gathering of like-minded people. Anyway, more details to come as I figure them out. Break the cage, get outdoors, guys. Hey, see you soon.